Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 17th of November 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. The first question for you, for those of you that watched the week ahead commodity report, did you catch the platinum trades? We went through that in detail with you, the platinum to gold ratio, the potential for platinum prices to break out 500 points to the upside just to get to 50% of gold prices, which would take the price of platinum back to $940 per ounce. Today, in fact, just 48 hours after that broadcast on Sunday, platinum prices have broken out over 500 points. In fact, just yesterday, before the close, we banked 575 points on that platinum position. Each one lot contract that you would trade on platinum, that's 5,750. And each 10 lot contract that you would be trading on platinum, that's of course $57,500 profit just from Sunday through to Monday there. So really nice big breakout to the upside, and of course, platinum has benefited from the vaccine narrative here as well. Platinum being utilized in the biomedical industry, and with the vaccine narrative and the vaccine news that we had again on Monday, which is now turning into Vaccine Mondays, where we had last week the Pfizer news, and of course this week the news from Moderna. And with that, we immediately saw a quick knee-jerk sell-off with gold. In fact, this Monday sell-off in gold provided a really nice opportunity to get back in and reload at support. So I hope many of you capitalized on that, because gold right now is very much range bound. So we actually reloaded on gold yesterday back at 1,873 US dollars per ounce, then banked partial profits again on the breakout that we had later on in the session, where gold ended flat, back trading at 1,890 US dollars per ounce. So a nice quick 170 points profit there. So just with gold, which is a great way, of course, to start the week here. So with that, what can we expect now for the week ahead? We've seen more lockdowns in US states in the USA. And with that, we mentioned it before, but do not waste a good lockdown here. Make sure that you're capitalizing on the volatility at the moment in the markets. It's absolutely a trader's market right now. It is not a buy and hold market. You want to be taking advantage of these regular range-bound opportunities of the vaccine news. There are very specific plays and trades that you want to take advantage of each time vaccines are announced. We have 200 companies which are all in competition to create the vaccine the fastest. And also, of course, we need to see this get FDA approval and then go on to distribution, which is the most important factor. These markets right now are providing just day-to-day big opportunities, and they're not small moves. As a trader, you want to see big moves. You want to see platinum breaking out 600 points in 24 hours. You want to see this sort of volatility where gold dropped very quickly 250 points, subsequently rallied and bounced back 250 points. It's perfect for trading. I'll give you a good example here. So you've got many traders building positions in gold and so forth, but at the wrong levels. And then what happens? You get a big narrative like we saw on Monday, the vaccine news again, they panic sell out of their positions. They no longer have a trade on gold. And what does gold do? It's back at the same price where they bought previously. And now they have to buy back in at the same price or higher, where they got stopped out prematurely of their trade. And this is where technical analysis is just not going to help you at all. You need to be very on top of the news, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics right now, the cycles in the market, what we're seeing in terms of vaccine developments here, the lockdowns that are occurring, and also which commodity to focus on. Many retail traders have their focus on the wrong markets right now, which aren't moving. They're getting chopped up using outdated technical strategies, whereas you want to be utilizing a research-driven approach to the market. That's what will give you that edge. Now, just coming back to gold here. So gold continues to consolidate at the moment. We've got these very specific ranges right now, which are between 1,965 US dollars per ounce, all the way back down to 1,860 US dollars per ounce. We've seen those levels tested over the latest week here. So it's approximately 1,000 point range. You want to benefit from that range-bound price action at the moment. Again, it's not a buy and holders market. You need to know the specific levels of liquidity, where to get in, where to bank, where to be quick and nimble, how to keep coming in and out of positions, utilizing the correlations with silver, with platinum, with the other metals as well. And of course, looking at the gold miners, looking at the dollar index, looking at the intermarket correlations, and looking very specifically at the daily cycles, the weekly cycles, the monthly cycles, and capital flows as well. So of course, if you would like to learn a research-driven approach to the market, where you're going to be trading the same way the hedge funds, the money managers do, utilizing the same data, the market intelligence, awareness of capital flows, macroeconomics, the key liquidity zones. So it's important not just to know when to enter, but when to exit a trade as well, when to bank profits, how to manage the trade, especially in these very lucrative market conditions that we have right now. And of course, if you're on lockdown right now, if you've got restrictions in your area, don't waste a good lockdown here. Make sure you're maximizing it, but also make sure sure you're learning the right information. You don't want to waste all your lockdown, for example, learning a technical analysis strategy or using technical analysis or indicators that won't work in these market conditions. It's really important more than ever these days to make sure that you're recession proof, that you're learning a skill that can supercharge your income, supercharge your savings here. And that's what you really want to capitalize on, certainly between now and the end of the year and into 2021. So with that, if you would like to find out more, join a community of successful traders and learn a research-driven approach to the market and join the live trading room mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.